Please support the channel through Cash App $WRBArch. We will greatly appreciate all the support. As always, we thank you very much. And please carry on. I am Martha Smith. Today we will focus on Container Life Architecture. Restaurant Edition. This is a cheeky restaurant, primarily made with shipping containers. The shipping containers provide a very durable and stable infrastructure. This building is a rough idea, rough sketch, rough thoughts on the potential of its glamorous potential. I am gobsmacked at the wonderful building. The brilliant ideas presented by the architect William Rennie Butler has used his creativity to not only divinely create the building but about 90% of the furniture inside the restaurant. I'm chuffed to bits to even be able to present this lovely architecture by William Rennie Butler.